Today we're at Colvin Run, which is a stream that runs through Lake Fairfax Park, and then behind me is actually the portion of the park infrastructure with the park dam and a pedestrian bridge. And we're here to talk about the recently completed stream restoration through the park on Colvin Run itself. And we did this restoration because the stream was highly degraded from severe storm events and erosion over time, and we were able to partner with the Park Authority to build a really good quality restoration that provides good water quality benefits, but also improve the park infrastructure. And will give people a good access point and a good place to come to see the stream, get close to the stream, but also we're growing in a much better vegetative cover around the streams with a lot more wildlife over time.
This is the culmination of about 3 years of work. The stream restoration was vitally needed. This is a part of the stream valley that washed out all the time. Not only is it going to be great for us from an environmental standpoint, it's just great to look at, and it provides another means of recreation for our citizens here in Fairfax County.
So that was a good win-win too on the partnership. We were able to provide the stream benefits, but we were also able to repair that park road, which was in very bad condition. Put a nice crossing in there that'll serve the park for many decades, and also improve the pedestrian bridge, which is just up behind us. The county has permits that were required to meet certain criteria from the EPA and from the Department of Environmental Quality of the state to clean our water. So we have to meet those requirements, and this is one of those projects that help us clean the water. But from the local level and the site level, it really gives you a much better stream. As where you had eroded banks before and flooding that was damaging a lot of things, now we've got stable banks, much better vegetation, with much more wildlife, and you have access points where you can get down to the water and actually see the stream safely and conveniently. So I think it's a good win-win. Helps us meet our larger water quality goals, but also helps meet some really nice site access goals. It'll be pretty down here and provide a nice outlet, educational and recreational component for the public.
Lake Fairfax is one of the gems in Fairfax County. Just want to say thank you to the citizens of Fairfax County for supporting the Park Authority and all of its bond efforts that make this possible, and also for the cooperation of not only the county but stormwater management and environmental protective services for working with us on this project.